Hello, welcome back to my channel PSK Workshop, and you can see today what is I'm gonna review, and this is about Cheng 100mm or 4-inch angle grinder. So you can see a really charm colored box, no much colors, and it's professional one. You can see here 100mm, 13,000 revolution per minute, 800 watt electricity consumption, read manual, and 220 volt. See, hole diameter of wheel 16mm, max wheel diameter 100mm, net weight of this angle grinder 1.6 kilograms. So I bought this from Sri Lanka. So let's check it out, what's inside this box. And first of all, we can get the handle of this angle grinder and the safety guard. Actually, the product is very well, it's quite heavy. And then 13 ampere plug top with a fuse, really nice. Oh yeah, this is a beast. And then warranty card and the user manual. This is the key. And oh, there's a Cheng spare parts of power tool carbon brush. First of all, we can check about the grinder. Wow, it's shaped just like the Makita grinders, but the switch is on the rear, so it's a bit dangerous. This time I decided to buy a Cheng because some people said, and I have found much things about Cheng power tools. I think they are reliable and durable, and safety features also everything is good. That's why I choose a Cheng angle grinder this time. Look, this is the what inside this box. You can see. Okay, and then I will get a new video with how to use this, and so you can hear the sound and how it work and everything you can see. uh, I was check this grinder when I was buying this. No vibrations, it's very smooth controlling, uh, very nice actually. So we can meet again with a new review with the Dongcheng or any product. Okay then, see you again. Thank you for watching.